some jumping jacks. Do you have any other tricks you want to show them? What? Whoa. Whoa, sister. Alright. Whoa! Good job. Can you show them how you skip? Go over there, start by the chair. Okay, now skip. Skip to mommy. Good job. Whoa. Very good. Oh, careful. Don't run into the counter. You want to play the drum?